Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up iPhone shortcuts for automatic productivity actions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up your iPhone shortcuts for automatic productivity actions, open the Shortcuts app from your home screen. Tap on the Gallery tab at the bottom right corner. Browse through the suggested shortcuts or use the search bar to find a specific action. When you find a shortcut that interests you, tap on it to view more details. Next, tap the Add Shortcut button. Now, navigate back to the My Shortcuts tab. Tap the plus button at the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Choose Add Action to see a list of available actions. You can browse through the categories or use the search bar to find actions quickly. Select the action you want to automate by tapping on it. Customize the action as needed, filling in any required details. To add another action, tap the plus icon again. Repeat the process to build a series of actions that suit your productivity goals. Once satisfied with your series of actions, tap Next in the top right corner. Name your shortcut something memorable that reflects its purpose. You can also tap on the icon next to the name to customize its appearance. To finalize, tap Done to save your new shortcut. Now, you can run this shortcut manually by tapping it from the My Shortcuts tab. To automate this process, tap on the Automation tab at the bottom. Select Create Personal Automation to get started. Choose a trigger for your automation, like time of day or arrival. Follow the prompts to set the conditions for your automation. After configuring the trigger, tap Next to define the actions. Choose Run Shortcut from the list of actions. Select the shortcut you just created from the drop-down menu. Review your automation and toggle off Ask before running if you want it to run immediately. Tap Done to save your automation. You've now set up your iPhone shortcuts for automatic productivity actions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.